Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into the stunning new 2026 Ferrari Roma. That's grand touring beauty has returned sleeker, faster, and more refined than ever before. For fans of Italian automotive art, the 2026 Roma is a striking evolution of everything Ferrari stands for: style, speed, and sophistication. Right from the outside, the 2026 Roma is an absolute head-turner. Ferrari has retained the minimalist elegance that made the first-generation Roma such a design icon, but this time, everything has been sharpened and modernized. The body lines flow with a sense of sculpted purpose. The front grille is now a more integrated piece with active aero elements that subtly open and close depending on the car's needs. Slim matrix-LED headlights slice through the bodywork with a menacing glare, while the rear features a new quad taillight signature and a retractable spoiler that deploys seamlessly at high speed. The proportions are long, low, and wide, perfectly balanced between aggression and elegance. It's a car that looks fast even when it's standing still. Under the hood, the 2026 Roma brings thrilling performance to match its beauty. It now comes with a revised 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers an astonishing 710 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. That's a noticeable bump from the previous model, making it one of the most powerful GTS Ferrari has ever built. The engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that shifts with razor precision. 0 to 100 km/h is done in just 3.1 seconds, and it has a top speed of over 330 km/h. Ferrari's new active suspension and improved aerodynamics allow for even sharper handling and high-speed stability, yet it remains comfortable enough for long-distance travel. The Roma doesn't just sprint, it glides, roars, and dances through corners with grace. Inside, the 2026 Ferrari Roma is more advanced and driver-focused than ever. Ferrari has gone with a dual cockpit layout that blends luxury with digital innovation. The cabin is wrapped in fine leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum. The main digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, providing performance data, navigation, and even track telemetry. The passenger also gets their own screen, allowing them to interact with media or view performance stats. The center console houses a sleek touchscreen with Ferrari's latest infotainment system, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cloud navigation, and over-the-air software updates. New for 2026 is an optional audio system co-developed with Bang & Olufsen for an immersive sound experience. The Roma is still a 2+2 layout, and while the rear seats are best suited for small trips or extra luggage space, they add to the Roma's GT practicality. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Ferrari Roma starts at around $265,000 USD, but that's before you add any of Ferrari's tempting customization options. From bespoke color schemes to carbon fiber packages and upgraded wheels, the final price can easily climb well past $300,000. But for those who want a grand tourer that blends timeless Italian elegance with race-bred performance, the Roma offers tremendous value in the ultra-luxury space. So there you have it: stunning design, explosive performance, and a high-tech luxury cabin. The 2026 Ferrari Roma is a masterpiece that doesn't shout for attention, it demands it quietly with confidence. Thanks for watching this detailed review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car content. See you in the next video.